Okay guys, so look at this hard area that I found. They had another company come in and do all of this work to exclude a raccoon from getting into this HVAC unit. And they did a decent job. It's worked, but look at all the damage inside here still. So they were still having the raccoon issues inside their fitness facility. So I crawled all the way under here. Crawled under here. Raccoon droppings and everything. There's an old one-way door. There's the new one-way door, and it's working. But I crawled under here and saw that these two pipes disconnect. So then I crawled out, came up top here, and noticed that, I don't know if the video shows it. The video doesn't show it, but they're sneaking in between that mesh and the vent on the side, through this mesh that you're looking at right now. You can see all the raccoon hair. Oh, there. Look at all the raccoon hair. It sneaks in that little 2-inch gap, and the raccoon hair proves they're getting through it. So I have to take this mesh off and somehow stop them from getting into these two vents.